America runs on hard-working auto pros. And for the past 100 years, Napa has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. I'm Kevin Linger, and this is Auto Pros on the Road. Having your brother as your business partner can have its pros and its cons, but with Napa as your other partner, a shop can grow quickly through hard work and passion. A shop right outside of Napa's headquarters in Kennesaw, Georgia, has seen how working with Napa and other shops has benefited their success.
My name is Brian Hough, and my brother and I, Kevin, started this business in 1989 and in a small 4-bay shop on Main Street, and we've grown it into our 12-bay, 2-acre facility that you see today.
My brother and I basically had come from different parts of the country to decide to open this up 36 plus years ago.
My brother and I have been working together since 7th grade, basically. We started working at gas stations, fixing flat tires, changing oil, and it just progressed from there. And finally, in 1989, we opened our doors and haven't looked back. Napa's been a partner of ours since the beginning.
The brothers were approached by an individual from Napa to help them create an organization that would benefit their shop, and one that Brian would soon lead.
As Napa Autocare was growing, we kind of grew with them. And so basically, over the years, and especially having Napa headquarters in our backyard, that the relationship just grew over time.
Our experience has been with Napa started with one man, and that's the outside salesman originally started. He's a legend at headquarters. He actually came, introduced me to what at the time wasn't even a business development group, it was just a marketing co-op, and with some of the other Napa Autocare centers. And he felt it'd be really good to get to know some of the other shop owners. At the time we joined the group, we were at 28 Autocare centers. Now we're at 65. So the group has grown here in Atlanta.
It brings some of Napa's Autocare programs to the group. We learn about more of their programs. We discuss issues maybe that other shop owners are having. Sometimes, some of us have been through an issue that we can help others with.
Several years ago, 2012 I think it was, I was invited to join the national team, and which they bring people in from all over the country, and it was really quite impressive to how Napa hosts these auto care centers from all over the country. One thing we do with our business development group is we do put money into an advertising pool. Everybody donates through to that, to the business development group, but it allows us to do community events.
Kennesaw Auto Center is located right in the Napa headquarters backyard, and this location has given the shop opportunities that most shops wouldn't have.
Well, I think Napa's relationship with us, we're 8 miles from headquarters, and therefore we have a lot of headquarters people, customers of ours, come through the door, and we interact with these people. Some of the pros, we get to deal with a lot of we get to privy to see some of the new stuff maybe a little earlier, and we get to, when one of those customers are in, we get to, hey, this is what's in the pipeline, this is what we're thinking about, what do you guys think? And they really value our opinion on it.
To actually have somebody that you can go to that actually, knows the auto care program or knows, automotive service, and, what programs would be beneficial for us as shop owners. I think that a lot of situations, that we've gone through over the years, a lot of these things, it's good to have an ear of somebody that's big enough, with Napa, that they can make some real life changes.
Looking back on 36 years, the brothers have a ton of advice and wisdom that they're looking forward to sharing to the next generation.
What would I recommend to somebody coming into this? I would say first, you need to pick a good partner. Pick a location, make sure it's going to suit your growth. We started in a small shop, and we knew early on that we're going to have to grow. And with my brother and I both in the business, we knew we had to grow large enough to sustain us. Buy the dirt, own the dirt, set your future up. You're young and you can do it now, but you're not always going to be able to do it. So set yourself up for your future.
Having somebody that, you're not alone, having that business partner / brother, like I said, for a lot of families, that doesn't work. For us, it's just been it's just been a great situation. In 36 years, we're working on, grandsons and great-grandsons' cars, and it's great to have that familiarity. We don't do a whole lot of advertising because our word of mouth and our strength of being here for so long in this community, I think has been good. I think that's also a plus. But having that relationship with our customers too is also good.